as you remember from the previous lesson, might only express his possibility in the present or the future. Like in, look at that dog. It might be in pain, not being 100% sure that the dog is actually in pain, just expressing a possibility in the present or a possibility in the future. We might be downsized within the next 3 months, meaning that it's quite possible that they will be downsized or fired from the company within the next 3 months. Now let's see how we can express possibility in the past. Yep, you got it right by adding present, perfect, after might. For example, he might have stepped on his son's toy truck in the dark. The doctor isn't absolutely sure what happened, why the patient has a few broken bones, and why he is unconscious. He thinks there is a possibility that he has stepped on his son's toy truck and fell. He might have stepped on his son's toy truck. A possibility in the past. One more example. He might have been drunk. Why else would he fall asleep at his desk? There's the guy. His name is Frank. He fell asleep at his desk. It was in the past, and it's a fact. His colleagues saw him sleeping at his desk. One of them said he might have been drunk when he fell asleep. He is not 100% sure that he was drunk. He supposes he thinks there is a possibility that Frank was drunk in the past. He might have been drunk. Okay, that would be it. See you in the next episode. Stay tuned.